Hello everyone. So we'll just start it slowly.
So welcome, sir.
Welcome, madam. Sure.
Sir, our HOD has also joined.
Oh, very good, excellent.
Sir Shekhar sir from BHEL has joined. Sir. I think sir's mic is on mute. You can start, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are here again. Let's continue our event, but before this, we would like to welcome the head of the Department of Computer Applications, Dr. PJ Alfonso, sir, the staff advisor, Dr. S. Sangeeta, ma'am, all the faculties, respected judges, all the participants, and students here with us. Now, the most awaited time of this 10-day long version 21 has finally come.
Yes, you all guessed it right. Now we are here to give away the prizes to all the winners of all the events conducted by the team version. But wait, before moving ahead, we are thankful to our sponsors and alumni who stepped in with us to make it a grand success with their constant support and guidance. Let's have a moment to thank them. Batch 1998, 1999, Batch 2004, Batch 2008, Batch 2009, Batch 2015, Batch 2016, Batch 2018, Batch 2019, Batch 2020,
I would like to request Dr. PJ Alphonse, sir, head of the Department of Computer Applications, to say a few words and then announce the winners of the event.
Sir, I think you're on mute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good evening to one and all. Version is an important event of our department, and this is the 29th edition where we have a very long history. Such a technical event, conducting such a technical event is not much easier, and that too in this pandemic time. Conducting such an event through online in an effective way is a very big task that the organizer and the faculty advisor, Dr. Sangeeta, all of them, they joined together. They have done a very big, remarkable job for a 1 week program. It's a 1 week program. For this is a great achievement, I feel, comparing to all other years. And I would like to thank all the participants, even within your busy online classes and other things. With a great interest, all of you have participated and graced the event in a mega way. Therefore, we are all thankful to you. And I also congratulate all the participants as well as the winners of the events for their great show and achievements. With that, I announce the winners of the event Mothra. The first prize goes to Team Beluga and Hacker from NIT Kurukshetra. I congratulate all the members, Nirmal Skaria and Badal Shura. Congratulations to you all. And second prize goes to Team Magesh from NIT Calicut. Congratulate all the members Magesh Baria and Santosh Kumar Pantranki. And third prize goes to Team Gravinators from NIT Warangal. And congratulate the member Shagar Gupta. I announce the winners of event Kodathon. First prize goes to Nirmal Skaria from NIT Kurukshetra. Second prize goes to Krishanu De from NIT Allahabad. Third prize goes to Subhi Verma from NIT Calicut. I congratulate all the winners. We announce the prizes of event Math Pirate. First prize goes to Badal Shura from NIT Kurukshetra. Second prize goes to Riya Gupta from NIT Raipur. Third prize goes to Advait Bidar from NIT Warangal. Congratulations to you all. We announce the event of Conundrum. First prize goes to Nirmal Skaria from NIT Kurukshetra. Second prize goes to Advait Bidar from NIT Warangal. And third prize goes to Dheeraj Padidar from NIT Jamshedpur. Congratulations to you all. For the event app replica, first prize goes to Team Nitro 69 from NIT Kurukshetra. Congratulations to the members Nirmal Skaria and Badal Shura. Second prize goes to Team Kashan from NIT Warangal. Congratulations to the member Advait Pidar. Third prize goes to Team Christ MCA from Christ University. Congratulations to the members Adgosha Acharya and Yash Padaka. Congratulations to you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now moving ahead, I would like to request our staff advisor, Dr. S. Sangeeta ma'am, to say a few words and then announce the winners of the event.
So first of all, my congratulations to the team headed by Mayank Sharma for successfully conducting this version. Maybe once again, I'll appreciate everyone by your names later. So let me move on to the prize winners. So for the event Capture the Block, first prize goes to Nirmal Skaria and Badal Sura of NIT Kurukshetra. And second prize goes to Shubhi Verma of NIT Calicut. And the third prize goes to Yash Shah and Vania of NIT Raipur. Congratulations. Then to the event Genius, the first prize goes to Ayush Ranjan of NIT Surathkal. And the second prize goes to Suraj Singh of NIT Kurukshetra. And third prize goes to Suraj Kumar Agarwal of MNIT Bhopal. Congratulations. Then for the event Code Pazuru, the first prize goes to Advait Bidkar of NIT Warangal. And second prize goes to Krishna De of MNIT Allahabad. Third prize goes to Badal Sura of NIT Kurukshetra. Congratulations. And for the event Scrum 1, the first prize goes to Meghna Gupta of NIT Jamshedpur. Second prize goes to Akansha Amrit of Cochin University of Science and Technology. And third prize goes to Avijit Singh of Naurula Institute of Technology. Congratulations. And for the event Scrim 2, the first prize goes to Harshul Soni of Vellore Institute of Technology. And the second prize goes to Deepali Goyal of PES University. And the third prize goes to Vanita R of MEFCO Sherlank Engineering College. Congratulations to you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Moving ahead, now I would like to request Sekhar Nagaratnam sir to announce the winners of the rest of the events.
Good evening and thank you all for the excellent work you have done in this pandemic period. About the results of this apprenticeship, I'm very happy to announce the first prize goes to Mohammad Shahnawaz Alam of NIT Kurukshetra, and the second prize to Shivangi Keshavani of NIT Calicut, and third prize to Adopshaja Dinesh Achari of Christ Deemed to be University. Hearty congrats to all of you. And in the maze runner, the first prize goes to Pranav Ustagi of NIT Kurukshetra, Sejal of NIT Gorangal, the second prize, and the third prize to Dheeraj Patidar, NIT Jamshedpur. Hearty congratulations to the winner. And for the phonics, the star, we have only 3 participants. Unfortunately, another participant who was about to come was not able to come due to some reasons. So, of the 3 people, Sudeep Kumar Rai, NIT Bhopal, Maulana Azad College, has knocked the first prize. Why we had given the first prize to him? I would like to brief upon 2-3 points. We first invited Sayani Saha for the interview. She did a good job. She was able to impress. But on the technical sides, she has to improve a lot. Actually, she was able to say something. Her communication was really good. The subject knowledge she has to improve a little. People are judged not by the credentials that you had scored were past. When you had scored such a credential, you should be also able to live up to that particular credentials. Having scored 137 in all India and having scored a university not able to live up to the level. You have done very well, but we expect more from such candidates. And another thing is that all the candidates, all the participants, all of them appear for an interview somewhere in the near future. At least for the last 1 year or 2 years, when you post anything in Facebook or LinkedIn or something like that, on all social media, be careful in posting things. And what you have to do is you have to post it in such a way that you are very optimistic, your attitude should be good, all those things you have to depict. And if you go on doing that, it will become your character itself. So start doing like that. See, anyway, a lot of people say a lot of end-to-end encryption and all other thing. But whatever you post in social media, whatever is removed and all other thing, everything people will be able to find out. So we should be very careful in posting anything. She has not done any wrong posting, but people, when you go for an interview, they would like to look into your social media posting for a year or 2 and find out what you had done. All right. Just to give a glimpse of that only, I had just spoken to few people, Facebook and LinkedIn and all other thing, and I was trying to grab something. So it was all excellent, but I throw a caution that we should be very positive, optimistic. We should post things in such a way that at a later age, when somebody asks some of the kids, our kids is asking, and then at that time, we should feel proud to say something. We should not be ashamed to say something that we had posted. So we should be very careful in that. And because the strength of India lies in the youths like you, and you have to be very careful. So either Abdul Kalam or whomsoever it is, they always say that, they had always said that youths are the strength of our country. So we have around some 60 crores of youth, which is the major strength for India. And you are all living up to that, and you have to do a lot of excellent work for them. And while interviewing the people as if like Sudeep Kumar Rai, Sagar Gupta and Sayan Saga, so most of you, what you have done in your graduation, it seems as if like what you have done in your graduation is only for passing out that particular exam. It should not be like that. In computer science, whatever we study, by the time when we go to the job, it will become obsolete. That is another issue. And you have to learn continuously. Learning never stops for you. But whatever you have studied in BSc or BCA or whatever it is, by the time when you come to MCA or whatever it is, at the time if you say that that is a old, this one 3 years before, 4 years before, when you say you are very good in physics and some few questions in physics you are not able to help, when you say you are in BCA, and when we ask some few questions in basic this one, if you are not able to say, it will be very difficult. So don't study for the examination purpose. Study for it as if it is going to give you life, better life. That way you do it. If the subject becomes obsolete over a period of time, forget it. Nobody is going to bother. So one of the interview when I attended some few years back, so somebody was asking me that you, by the time when you were there, you were learning machine language and all other thing, you were using it in DHGL. We were coding it in COBOL, Fortran, BASIC, Pascal, and so many other things. So I said, yes, can you write a few coding in COBOL, he said. And then I said, what is the problem? So I was able to put the 4 divisions and then write something about that. And really, I forgot it after 30, 40 years. That's not a problem. But 3 years, 4 years, if you forget it, is a problem. So you should be really aware of it. So that way, study as if like every subject is very important. So Sayani Safa did very well. Her communication was good, but subject knowledge and technical skills, she has to improve a lot. She is in the first year. There is a lot of scope for her to improve, and her attitude is also very good. But still, she was not able to beat Sudeep Kumar Rai because he was showing a lot of maturity. His attitude was also good, and his technical skills and subject knowledge was really good. He showed a lot of maturity. And Sagar Gupta, though he did well in all areas, he has to improve, as if like communication also, subject knowledge and other things. And the very first question he asked is that, are you a little bit scared? And he said, yes, sir. So don't say you are scared. You should not be scared. Why you are scared of it? This fellow is not going to give a job. Somebody is going to give a job for you. All the people who attend the interview, everybody is not going to be taken by the single company. All right. There may be some people who are not selected in the first interview, second interview, third interview. Probably in the fourth interview, they will be getting placed in a much better position and much better pay. So all companies are equal. So there was a company, Nokia, a lot of people joined Nokia. After some time, Nokia fell down for no wrong reasons, except that they are not able to analyze the competitors and other things, and they fell down. So all the companies, whatever it is, they are all going to grow up like anything in future. If it is not this pandemic, if there is no corona, this improvement on the information technology side would not have improved to this great extent. What in 10 years we would have achieved, because of the pandemic, we had achieved in 2 years. Even kids doing their LKG, UKG or attending online classes without the help of their parents. So how great we had sailed, how fast we had sailed, what a great length we had sailed. And so think of applications as if like which we can do it for all these things. So better luck to everybody, better luck to all the participants. I was seeing the other person, normal Sakaria or something, Sakaria, yeah. That person has not attended the interview. I saw a lot of prizes he has notched. Probably if he had joined, he would have been a tough competitor for Sudeep Kumar Rai. Wish all the participants all the very best. Thank you all for giving me an opportunity. And hats off to this team for doing an excellent work. See, I saw your website and all other things. You have done a very great job. Even most of the professional companies will not be able to do such a lot of things. So you have done excellent work. Excellent credits goes to all the team members, all the staff members who have guided them. The head of the department, Dr. Alphonse, Dr. Sankita, and all other faculty members. Wish you all the very best and thank you for giving me an opportunity. Thank you all. Stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We are delighted to have, and thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time, sharing your experience, and also for being an important pillar in version 21. Also, we are sure that not just participants, but also we will improve on things that you pointed out. And congratulations to all the winners. This 10-day long event is not the result of any individual, but the collective efforts of all the committees of version and their dedication towards the event. The guidance from the chairpersons was really helpful. Now, I would like to call Dr. S. Sangeeta ma'am again and request her to acknowledge the efforts of the chairpersons of all the committees. Ma'am, you are muted.
Good evening, professors and students. Before proceeding with the committees, my sincere thanks to our head of the department, faculty members of our department, and Shekhar sir for support in conducting this version 2021 online. And I take this opportunity to appreciate the various committees of version 2021 led by Mayank Sharma Central Coordination Committee, Kuldeep Patidar Event Execution Committee, and Anand Prakash Printing and Publishing Committee, and Mahima Pandey Alumni Relations Committee, and Subri Dabe Public Relations Committee, and Amit Gupta Reception Committee for all their efforts in conducting this version 2021 successfully. And my wholehearted appreciation to Bhumika, the Secretary version 2021, in bringing the online version into reality by coordinating the team of students. Thank you, students.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would like to request Bhumika Khaka, Secretary of version 21, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. So, good afternoon to our esteemed Head of Department of Computer Applications, Dr. P.J. Alphonse, sir, our staff advisor, Dr. S. Sangeeta ma'am, respected judges, Shekhar Nagaritham sir and Venkat Subramanian sir, our respected faculty members, our valued alumni, and the enthusiastic participants and students of MCA NIT 3G gathered here. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the winners of version 21. Many congratulations to you all. And I would like to express my deep appreciation towards our highly treasured participants for taking their time and participating from across the country to compete against each other and showcase their talent. Their enthusiasm and interest in our events motivated us to perform better. I hope you all are taking some good memories from our event version 21. And now, on behalf of Team Version, I would like to thank Alphonse, Sangeeta ma'am for their guidance and support throughout the version. I would like to thank Chairman of version 21, Mr. Mayank Sharma, for his constant support and motivation. And also, I would like to thank chairpersons of all the committees for guiding the committee members of Team Version 21 and for always being there for our help. Also, I would like to thank our alumni who are always present there for our support. Their contribution makes version possible each year. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the committee members of Team Version who dedicatedly worked right from the beginning to this end. Their selfless contribution made Version 21 such a successful event. So thank you everyone present here for being a part of our journey. Hope to meet you next year in Version 22. That's from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. We are so glad that you all have participated in version 21. We have a feedback form available on the website in the dashboard section. Please fill it as it helps us improve version next year for all of the participants. Thank you for supporting our event by attending and contributing. We hope you enjoy the experience and receive beneficial information. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you to all.
Thank you all. Thanks to everyone. Thank you, Segar sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Shall we leave?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
From we can end this.